What's up, peeps? It's Tony here, and we are going to have a quick look into Thrive Themes membership. As you know, I really rate Thrive Themes. A quick skim down their homepage. You've got the themes, where there's 10 themes at present they've had developed. I don't think they'll be developing many more as themes because the Architect plugin takes care of all that landing page drizzle now, which we'll see as we go inside. Thrive Leads. That is such a daddy of a plugin. To be honest, I still have to get my head around it properly. Architect, I'm all over that like a rash. Landing pages, as you know, you'll see soon. I have a whole cloud based of landing pages. Clever widgets, I'm going to start using those. I haven't used them enough. Headline Optimizer, I'm tweaking with as we speak. Automatum. I've never really used Automatum. I'm not really one for scarcity because I only really use it on my own products. So you won't see it on my blog posts, but you will see it on the landing page if you land on anything I sell. Thrivation, I've started to use that on a couple of blogs. Quiz Builder, you'll see it on this post. Comments, you'll see them all the time. Optimized, I haven't started to use this yet, it only came out last week, but most certainly going to start using it on my landing pages. And let's just jump in and have a look. So, on the members dashboard, I'm not going to go into everything. It's going to be an overview of Thrive membership. So my homepage, my account keys, getting started. What's that? Is that where we are now? No, it's not. Okay, welcome to Thrive membership. It's Hannah. There you go, 4 of them. So you just go there when you get started. There you go. Members dashboard. What I want to show you though is what I make use of every day. Not only with tutorials, but every day I'm most certainly going to be using one of these plugins, and being a member I have access to all of them. So as I said, Optimize is the newest one, and the newest one's always at the top. Optimize is the newest one. Actually it's not, probably. So don't take that as gospel. Where you can split test your landing pages, comments, and there's forums and tutorials for all, as you can see here, and direct downloads. So if I was to go to the Optimize forum, for instance, check out the Gumroad. They've already started doing their questioning, and like I said, they're very, very active in Thrive Themes. Members, the support, it's really top notch. So yeah, all my plugins are there. All of them are really, really worth using, and are all conversion optimized. The themes, like I said, these were developed before Architect came out. I don't think they'll be developing more themes. I'll show you why. Let me show you quickly. I'll have to go into one of my blogs to do this. So let's go into Rated by Tony, add a new one. And I didn't plan to do this, but what the heck? We're here anyway. So I'm going to call it Thrive Test. My keyboard's jumping up and down. And I'm going to save that draft. And then I'm going to go edit with Thrive Architect. And I'm just popping in here to show you why I believe they won't be developing any more themes. So quite off the cuff, as you know, I like to roll like that. This is Rated by Tony, a new page. And what I would do here, I'd go to set up a template, choose from a landing page template. And here, as you can see, are the new templates they developed with Architect. There's quite a few here. This corporate, is this one? Yeah, corporate or corp. Who knows if it means corporate? I can expand the set and see all the pages in that set. So there's a registrar, webinar registration, email confirmation, download, lead generation, landing page. And to load any of these pages, all I do is click on it, choose the template, give it a couple of moments, and let it propagate. I love saying propagate. Let it propagate into the browser, and there you go. Just let it do its thing. So there you have basic landing page, and you can edit this, as you can see, as I'm hollering. I could just literally use this list or paper, or you could call it what you want. Change the images. It's really simple. And things now, I'll preview it. Yep, still no coffee. You're getting that, yeah, so forgive me. And that's how it would look. So yeah, that's why I don't think they'll be developing any more pages. there's an abundance already in the cloud they have now. So if I were to go there, template setup, change it, I could pick another one I wanted instead. So yeah, it's loads there. So I don't think they'll be adding any more bespoke. Anyway, like I said, there's that's just one plugin as well. That's just the Architect plugin. So that's here, the apprentice ones where you build your courses, quiz builder. There's so much, and as I said, it's great value for money. I'm sorry it's so quick. I just want to give you an overview. We weren't even supposed to go into Architect, but I thought you must have a look. Any questions about Thrive membership, give me a shout. I'll let you know more about what is included throughout the coming weeks. Cheers for watching. Speak to you soon. Tony B.